Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans Gaming. We are doing Patreon Part 1 for June 2024. We'll be doing a lot of these stuff throughout the whole month, twice a week, for D&D proxy, Warhammer proxy, figures, tabletop, and so forth. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get started. We'll be starting with Heroes Infinite. So it looks like we got some Chaos proxy, some sexy, very cool looking ones, and some Titans with it as well. So let's get to it. So if you're a Chaos player for 40k for your proxy, this might be it that you really want to try out. So there's a lot of big ones too. Well, there's a couple more Chaoses they made in the past few months and last year as well. You may want to go check them out. But the sculpts are really good. All of this is for like $10, and it also comes with terrain pieces as well. So yeah, very hot, sexy ones. You also got cool looking jetpacks. Got one that's literally carrying it from their boot claws and stuff like that. Here's your sorcerer and your betrayers. A lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. I've been noticing that people are liking more of the mommy waifu of the Sisters of Battle. If you guys want more of those content, please leave me down in the comments because I can probably print some of these and paint them as well and see how that goes. I know my Warhammer is more popular than my D&D stuff, but I'm trying to get this thing more balanced as well. Here's your Venom Crawler right there with your troops. But yeah, it, I know that a lot of new Chaos stuff just came out for Games Workshop, but they're ridiculously expensive. So, and this one looks a hell of a lot better than the Games Workshop have released, in my opinion. But yeah, there's your Reaper Titan, Inferno Obliterator, Overlord, and Axis All. Your Marauders. That'll be kind of cool. These are pretty cool looking. I know that there aren't any female Chaos Space Marine because there's no female in Space Marines in general. But I really don't give two shits. People are like, oh, the lore. I'm like, lore is good. It's just that it's a proxy. It's your guys' army. You do what the hell you want, in my opinion. But yeah, this one is also good. This is one of the. There's one with that. The Games Workshop was like tank treads. Your Demon Prince as well. But yeah, cool looking ones in my opinion. And I really do want a lot of this. And your terrain pieces right here as well that you can build for your campaign, your terrains, and so forth, and however you like it as well. Yeah, demon skulls, everything else for it. Try to get towards the end. I think that'll be it for it. Tier 2 discover for $10. Okay, Archvillain Games. They have the fantasy and sci-fi version of this. A lot of times there are the fantasy, for major proxies for D&D, not just D&D figures in general. And they have proxies for Warhammer, Age of Sigmar, Old World, and 40k. This is the fantasy from the Undying Academy. This looks like a Draco dragon or Lich dragon. There's this might be one of the proxies for your Space Marines for it, and your tanks. And there is Vecna, looks like Rulu, but that looks like Vecna. That looks like a nice, cool looking. It's a Lich, I know that for a fact, but it has a Vecna wares, in my opinion. But yeah, got the Undying Academy, the Undying Academy, Stortum Mortis throughout Abstract. So this is actually pretty cool if you go like a library or an academy that just like studies the necromancies and stuff like that, and it's just really cool looking. And it'd be probably a good adventure for Halloween, in my opinion. Halloween's right around the corner, so yeah. There's a Thiefling rogue with big boobs. There's the Undying Academy book. You can actually probably proxy this for your Age of Sigmar. Forgot the undead faction. I know there's vampires and there's the undead one. I have some, but I just can't remember in my head. But these guys looks pretty damn cool. Archvillain has some very good prints, figures as well. If you're really interested in it. Then they only doing the fantasy part. Oh, there's the sci-fi. We got the Berserker, so it looks like a dreadnought. So they have their version of a dreadnought. That looks pretty cool. I think this would look good for the white scars, in my opinion, um, for Warhammer 40k. But yeah, this is pretty damn cool. I wish I had more resin to print a lot of these things. That's one thing I'm having a hard time with resin. Resin is the key faction of it. A lot of this link will be down in the description below, just letting you guys know. I know that this is last month. If you guys haven't gotten it, I think you can get it from their store or My Mini Factory. It's just the only like the horror story from like Japan and stuff like that as well for creatures. My Mini Factory is a D&D. It looks like you're getting thirst, so more vampires. It looks like some kind of a monstrosity, manticore monstrosity. That's what it looks like. You know, until I see a scorpion tail. Yep, it has a scorpion tail. It's a vampire on a goddamn manticore. A big ass manticore. Let's see, a vampire looks like a blood spell caster. Probably a vampire cleric. But yeah, more vampire. That's be very interesting. Any more? We got the Mortal Blood. That you can, I seen a couple of these different things from Age of Sigmar. They can do it. Manticore's pulling it. Also have a coffin for that as well. That's gonna be pretty damn cool. I bet that sucker's gonna be huge. A pretty obsession for this month. I don't think they have anything for this month. That's April download. Extended holiday greetings as well as plan to break for 3 months to get prepared for future. So there is a break. No billing, no billing, no billing. So it's taking a nice long break. That's fine. Twin Goddess miniatures. We have some goblins. Looks like a this looks like Scarlet Witch and stuff. But let's look. That's okay. Let's more look like superhero. I think they're doing a superhero theme for D&D style, in my opinion. But these are okay. Goblin with a crossbow. You have a secretary throwback with it as well. Epic. You got a whole bunch of these for $10. Plus, you get a welcome pack and a throw pack as well. These are too small for me to see through. See if they have anything in here. So we have Vampirus. You know what? We just go look through. We have vampires, vampire transformations. We have a bat folk. That should be kind of weird to have in the game, but I know there's a lot of freaking lycanthropes. Candle wax golem. That would be pretty cool to have. A candle wax golem. Especially in like a mansion or like in a cathedral. Freaking all those candles have been melted and just forms into a freaking golem. That'd be awesome. Torch Knight. Just lighting himself on fire. That looks pretty damn cool. We got some bat swarms. Vampire armies. For it. A lot of vampires this month. Look, the second vampire I see. Classic ghouls. I do like these kind of ghouls. The classic look of it. Let's see, Armored Night Walker. Never seen that before. Great Vampire. This is their transformation form. And there's a little more humanoid coffin. Vampire Lady. Troll Vampire Lord. Really, a Troll Vampire Lord. So a troll with a vampiric bloodline. I'm thinking Thiefling Maid. That'd be kind of cool. Sexy to have. Probably print for a lot of the people that likes the waifu thing as well. But there's a lot more werewolves and stuff and stuff like that. It's a lot more. RN Studio. We got anime series volume 16, and we got classic JRPGs. I can't tell you like all these characters because I stopped playing games. I even though I buy a lot of games, I stopped playing. This is the old school version of the Lord of the Rings. These three, four. I don't know about this one. Probably this all of them are. But yeah, those are for RN Studio. Rescale miniatures. For this one, May release post. I think we got some dragons. This used to be Lord of Print, so Armor Knight riding on a dragon. Do like that armor a lot. That dragon looks it's two-headed, and that might be a two-headed dragon with the armor with the Chaos Army. I think it used to be an Old World and Age of Sigmar that you can use as a proxy. This looks like a weird-looking dragon with a different head, but yeah, everyone has their thing what a dragon should look like. But the armor looks like it's chaos. So you might get some proxy out of this for your Age of Sigmar and Warhammer, in my opinion. But you're gonna have to look up the figures for it, in my opinion. We have a lot of dragon riders on this, but I want to see the whole thing. Oh yeah, there's a lot of chaos and stuff and soothing. Maybe we should get some chaos. Here we go. Got some horse riders. So yeah, we have a chaos banner and everything with it. So if you're interested in making a chaos army instead of just rescaling it, because I don't know how big these scales are. Usually they're decent D&D pieces, but you're gonna have to figure that out, or you 3D print it and stuff for this as well. 3D Moon for this month, we got Uri from Metal Slug, just been released, and Virgil for his loyalty rewards. If you want that, I want to try and see what's this month is going to be. That's July's winner. All the project stuff. I think this will be it for part one. If it loads, my lord. But you know what? It should say in the front. Haneko. I might start with part two with this, just letting you guys know. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. The links for these will be in the bottom. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.